Hi, I'm Jimmy with N.E.T.R. Today we're in Cambridge on Highland Ave. We're doing a 4-zone mini split system in this 3-family home. Come on in and check it out. So when we walked into the home to consult with the homeowner, we asked him a few questions as far as what his needs were and what his goals were. His needs were AC in the home and to help him out with some heat. So what we did was a 4-zone hyperheat system to help him zone the rooms, so each room becomes its own zone for heating and cooling. Also, when we walked in, he had a big window unit for AC that was actually leaking all over the floor. So it was actually the perfect feature for me to get him to go with the system and cover the home more efficiently for heating and cooling.
So we're at the point in the installation where we're about to send in the pipes from the outside. There's 2 indoor units. There's one above me right here, and then there's one on the opposite wall. We're trying to send the pipes in and then up through this closet ceiling for both of these. So I had to make this hole a little bit bigger. And on the inside here, what you see is the line hide that we encase everything in. And that's gonna protect everything inside the closet so nothing gets wet or damaged like that.
So that's what we did. We ended up doing a 4-zone hyperheat system. We isolated each room by room with a variable speed system for efficiencies to help them out for AC and for heating. Thanks for checking us out. If this is something you're interested in, please visit us on the web at N.E.T.R.inc.com or give our office a call. We can come out and help you out. Thank you and have a great day.